Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Roblox animation bug. To know how to fix or how to solve Roblox animation bug, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page you will enter to this window of Roblox. And when you will find it, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we go to click storage. After that we click on clear cache, and in the end of all these steps then you can go to Play Store. You will update your application on Roblox. That's you can know how to fix your problems on Roblox app as you see. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.